Now we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, first of all, if we refer to our analysis, when the price was within this move, we mentioned how we can look for trade, because we mentioned the way is moving is really corrective. And then we mentioned May, because at that time the price was here. May, we mentioned May this one can turn to a flat. Okay, because we point at that time when the price was here, we point on this. We mentioned May this one can give us one move down. All right, and as we can see, the price move a bit higher, and this is what we get. But mostly if we refer if we refer to the chart, most of the chart we get this down move. Okay, now we want to see whether this one is a correction for one more drop, or we should expect for the price to reverse. Okay, because if from here the price drop, mostly we can expect the breakout of this trend line. That's why in our analysis, when the price was within this move, we mentioned if anyone is looking for sell, they can have in these two entry, 1.282, the another one is 1.263, whether below here or here. Actually, we are not looking for sell, but if anyone, in case they want to get the risk, because the way is moving is really corrective. Okay, as what we can see here. Mostly we're looking for buy. Later we'll explain why. But if this correction turn to give us one move down, this is where we can take the risk, and it's very risky because easily price can tag and reverse. Okay, these are for only for traders that are very aggressive and they know how to trade, manage the trade. No, we want to see how we can look for trade. Mostly we, as I say, we are more interested in the buy. And if we move to forward chart, we have been looking for this correction move, the corrective move, and we are putting this one in relative to this for running flat. And what we want, the price drop, retest this trend line. We want to see any buy we want with the breakout of this top. The breakout of the top is 1.475, and after that we want to see whether the price can continue on one to break 1.6 or not. Again, one thing we need to be quite careful. Usually when we have a technical, based on technical, when we have this kind of the down move, we can expect one more drop, because in that case we will have a bigger flat in relative to the main move for the next continuation. But if what we are looking for right now for the continuation, by consideration this is the only correction, or this is what we have expanding. That's why if we get any buy within this range, we need to be careful. The possibility of the price, if it drop, it can drop quite sharp. Okay, that's mean we should look for buy setup and the trade setup. And if we see this not moving, we start to manage it. We shouldn't stay with the trade if it's correcting. All right. Now what we get here, we get this down move. Can we put this one 1 2 3? Okay, if like that, then that means this is the next what we're looking for. And beside that, how about if this one turn to corrective for one more drop? If we're looking for this, may the price start from here or correct for one more drop. Okay, but right now what we have is a sharp. It's not correcting. If this one continues sharp, and if like, we can look for buy with the breakout of this top. The top is 1.44. Okay, yeah, with 1.44. And if we move to 15 minute, now we want to see if we get the right now is correcting. If we get the flag here, maybe we can look for buy with the breakout of this top. Okay, by the way, if this one start to be correct, really move really corrective, mostly we can expect one more drop. Okay, in this case we just follow the chart. We see mostly we're looking to see whether we can get the buy setup from here or not, but as I say, we need to get the sharp move, which we have it. We need to get the flag, then we can look for buy with the breakout of this top. The stop loss should be at least here below this. All right, and what we want when the price break this top and the next top is here, then from there we see whether there is a continuation or not. As I mentioned again, based on forward chart, we're looking for buy. But in case this one turn to a bigger correction, that's mean after the breakout of this top, maybe we can expect the price to drop. Okay, by the way, we just follow the chart and see how we can trade it. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.